I get these questions a lot. Francis, how can I make money online for free? Okay, I don't have any money. I am broke. I lost my job. I am a student. Bunch of questions like this. Okay, and people asking me every time, how can they do this for free? That is what inspires this video. Okay, that is why I want to share this with you guys today. Okay, this is my honest opinion about how you can make money online for free. And if this is your first time on stopping by on my video, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos, I do make money online methods, and I document my journey on this YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on stopping by, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, take the bell notification icon. That way you get notified whenever I come up with any new videos. Okay, so this is more of like one of my series I mostly do where I call Let's Talk. Okay, my Let's Talk series, where I just interact with you guys with ease. Okay, and I tell you guys straight to the point how it basically works and how it is. Okay, so in terms of making money online for free, all right, free methods, free traffic, everything you want for free. Okay, don't get me wrong, you can actually make money online for free, but it is not something to rely on. The reason for this is because you can use that to get your foot in the door or to get started. All right, and one of the best ways I recommend you make money online for free, okay, is by providing service. You need to exchange your time for money. That is how it basically works. Okay, your service can either be you're providing a service like doing graphic design, doing website design, okay, or helping people set up their landing pages, or doing copywriting and all that stuff. Okay, or you can maybe recommend people to a particular course, a particular product. Okay, providing value with them, building that relationship, just like I mentioned in my previous video. Okay, that is one of the best ways to make money online for free. Okay, that is it. All right, you have to exchange your time for money. It is that simple. Like I said, if you want to be providing services like SEO services, website services, or any digital service at all right, and this is where a lot of people still get it wrong. They might be saying, I don't have the skills to pull this off. I don't have the skills to do web development, or I don't have the skills to do SEO, or I don't have the skills, okay, to do this and that. But there are other people who knows how to do these things online. You don't necessarily have to know them yourself. All you need to know is go and find somebody online, let's say on Fiverr, on Upwork. Look for somebody that knows how to perform a particular skill that you know the person is good at. Maybe, let's say they get a lot of reviews from their clients and all that. You can see that. You can contact them and tell them, hey, I want to be bringing you gigs. If we can work together, I'll be giving you jobs to do. Okay, and it's that simple. Then you go out there, you scout the internet, you look for people, okay, who have a particular problem, or you look for you to provide value to them, or people who have a particular problem. My throat is dry, I need water again. So you go out there, you look for people who need a particular problem solved. Okay, then you get that problem, and let's say you get the problem from them. Let's say you tell them, I can help with that, all right, and charge them for it, because you already know the amount the person you're working with that's going to be providing that service for you charge for that. Maybe you can get a discount from that person also. Then you can just be like the middleman. Okay, then when you collect the job or the service from the person that has the problem, you can now give it to the other guy that renders the service to do it for you, to deliver on that service. Then by so doing, you're keeping the difference. You're paying that guy, you're keeping the difference. It is that easy. This is one of the fastest way to make money for free. Okay, fastest way is go out there, look for somebody who can perform a particular service. First of all, look for somebody that performs a particular service. It's more of like looking for a product that solves a particular problem. Okay, that is the best way, one of the best ways, all right, to do this for free without spending any money at all, without building any landing pages, without paying for hosting, without paying any subscription fees and all that, paying for any course. Just go out there, look for somebody, then go out there, look for somebody that can render a particular service, then go out and hustle. All right, online, go out there and find people who have needs, okay, and provide value to them and tell them I can help with that problem. okay, them when you collect that, one of the things I recommend, or one of the things I've done or I've did before, okay, is I still do that up till today. I still go out there. You can go out there, okay, look for people who want website services. All right, when those that want website services, I can help you redesign the website. I'll just go out there and tell them I can help you redesign the website. Actually, I know how to do web development. I know how to design websites. I can go out there, look for people who need a website, okay, offer them, give them my affiliate link, all right, to get hosting through my link. And by so doing, when they buy hosting through my link, I can design the website for them for free, because you can't do a website without a hosting account. You need a hosting account, so they have to get hosting. So when they get hosting using my link, I get a commission. By so doing, I can account for the fact that I've gotten money from that, so I can do the website. So what I'm basically saying is, you go out there, you look for people who can perform a particular skill, maybe SEO skills or website design skills or writing and all that. Then you look for somebody who needs that service, then collect the job, okay, and hand it over to the person who you know that can deliver on that skill. Then you keep the difference. After paying that person, you keep the difference. That is how it works basically. All right. Same way it works with going on social media and doing DMs. Okay, you don't have to start building a website. You don't have to start setting up landing pages and all that stuff. Now you can go on social media, okay, create a Facebook group and start adding people to your group. Invite people who have interest in that niche or that industry you're talking about, okay. Bring people in, invite people, okay, I'm starting a new Facebook group, come and join me, okay. And when they join you, you are getting leads, okay. You are getting emails of people, maybe their phone numbers, you're getting their email addresses, their names, okay. You can ask them for that before accepting them into the group, okay. And you have like a spreadsheet where you keep all that information, all right. So you can start building a traffic source using a Facebook group, building a community, okay, that you can serve that community. And when you're serving that community, you're making money. You can provide them with solutions, and based on the fact that you're the leader of that community, okay, you can put out links there and tell them to click on this link for so and so, okay, this and that, okay, quote unquote, depending on what you want to tell them. All right. And one interesting way that I know this is extremely powerful. One interesting way is that about this, or one cool thing about this, is that you can go out there to other groups relating to what you want to be talking about and talk to people there and tell them that you're starting a new group, and everybody wants to see something new, okay. So they'll jump in, they say, okay, of course, I'm willing to join your group, okay. They'll come and start helping you build. From there, you can start building your traffic. You can start building a traffic source for yourself, okay, that you can monetize for long-term growth, okay. And by so doing, and this is free. That's the cool part. This is completely free. You go to Facebook, you set up a particular Facebook group, you do your research very well in your industry or the niche you have experience or knowledge about, okay. You do your research very well, then you start educating people on your group, or you start adding people to your group, providing value to them in that group, then recommending them to offers, all right, and you're making money. That is one cool way to do it. Now, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take time, okay. It's going to take time and a lot of work, all right. You have to be consistent with it. All the methods I share online, all of them I've mentioned on this YouTube channel, they all have to do with consistency. You must be consistent, okay. You must be consistent with what you're doing to make them work. You don't just try them out and you say, oh, it doesn't work, I'll just leave that and go away. You're not ever going to see any result if you continue behaving like that. You're not. Now, all the method works. When you stay consistent, you start seeing results with them. Now, building a Facebook group, adding people to that, providing value to them in that group, okay, gives you an edge, because for long-term growth, all right, you can continue monetizing off of those same people, all right, and they will be there with you because they know, like, and trust you, okay. So it's easy for them to buy from you whatever you're selling. That's how it works basically. Another way you can make money online for free is, imagine those that are in the weight loss niche. Now, progression, all these progression pictures works a lot. Like picture where you see somebody in the weight loss niche where they'll say before and after. This before and after pictures works a lot, especially on Instagram, okay, because a lot of people want to get their shape right. They want to look good, okay. They don't like the extra fat they have on their belly and all that. They want to get rid of that. So maybe you can do progression. You can do progression pictures, okay, merging 2 pictures before and after online, maybe posting that on Instagram, okay, building a following, building engagement from there, all right, then recommending people to a particular offers. You can put the link on your bio, recommending people to a particular offer, okay, maybe a weight loss pill or a fitness program or a video course or anything at all that you can get commissions from, okay, that will be of value to them, also of value to you because you're making money as well. Okay, this works extremely well. Okay, so you are building a traffic source for yourself and is to also be beneficial for you in the long-term growth. Now you're starting for free, all right, building a traffic source, because it's actually a traffic source. When you build an Instagram account around a particular niche that has lots of engagement, people are engaging with your content, people are clicking your links, you're making money from that, you're making sales, all right, that same Instagram account can also work for you later on. Okay, you can continue using that, you can scale that with paid ads as well. Okay, the Facebook group also, you can build, it continues to grow. There's some stages to reach, there's a point to reach, it to start getting momentum and start growing by itself. Okay, people will be requesting, I want to join your group. All right, at first you have to go out there and find people who will be interested to join your group, add them to your group, and when your group start growing and start getting a lot of traction, and let's say you you're providing a lot of value, a lot of people are requesting to join your group, Facebook will organically start sharing your group with other people. Okay, so they will also see your group out there and they can request to join you. Okay, and as long as you provide a lot of value and there's a lot of engagement in your group, in your community, in your Facebook group, okay, and you're referring people to products, services that help them solve real problems, all right, you'll be making money. All right, that is how to do it for free. Let's say you want to run services, okay, and let's say it can be website development, digital marketing, SEO, and all that. You just look for somebody that's good with in terms of doing that service. You look for somebody with a problem, then you do the exchange. Just be the middleman and keep the difference. That is how it works basically. Okay, and if you want to build a community or you want to build a traffic source, okay, you can build that on, let's say, Pinterest, you can build that on Instagram, you can build that on Facebook groups. Okay, you build a community on Facebook group, all right, and it is beneficial for long-term growth. That will also help you for long-term. An Instagram account can actually scale, and it is easy because once you start making money, you can reinvest that into paid ads and start running ads to make money, so you don't always sit down there. All you have to do is mostly post. Okay, you can have money to reinvest in your business. And one big power tip I want to give right here is that once you start making money, make sure you are investing that into your business. Okay, because you're actually building an actual business. Okay, you don't just want to take all the money and go and spend it. A lot of people do that a lot. They take the whole entire money they make for commissions and they spend it all and start again, over and over again. Okay, and that is not so cool. That is not advisable at all. So this is the ways you can do free traffic, or you can do it for free. You can make money online for free. Okay, and once you start making money, you can reinvest that into building a website, into building landing pages, into paying for email automation softwares. There are lots and lots of things you have to go into once you start making money. Okay, so you don't want to think that I just want to get money and get out, or I just want to make money to pay my bills. Okay, no. Like Dan Lok mostly says, he says you don't start a business when you are desperate. Okay, because your focus will just be all about, oh, I want the money now, get the money and get out. No, that's not how it works. Okay, you have to be consistent, persistent, and at first it will be very, very slow. You will not be getting any results. Okay, you might not be seeing anything. Some people might see results earlier on, some might not, but at first it will be slow. Then later on along the line, as long as you're consistent, you start getting momentum, and you start getting sales. Okay, and you start growing gradually from there. Right, as long as you're consistent, you start seeing results, and you know what you're doing, you start seeing results. All right, now if you want to schedule a call with me, I mostly offer one-on-one coaching. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. You can click the link, fill out the form, and schedule a call with me. Okay, and if you have any questions or any concerns about this topic, or there's something you want to ask me one-on-one for me to reply to you, or if there's any way I should have made this video better, let me know that in the comment of this video. The comment section is more of like a forum for us to interact with one another. Okay, so let me know what your thoughts are, what you think, or any questions you want to ask me. put that in the comment of this video and I'll reply to all of your comments. Okay, and if you find any value and you learn anything new today, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share this video with a friend that this video might be valuable to, okay, that you know that you want to provide value to that friend. Share this video with that person. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash the red subscribe button and tick the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos on this YouTube channel. Until next time, stay strong guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace.